It looks like our deployment is now complete. Also from the logs, we can see that our Ghost application has been started. The next thing to do is update the DNS-A record. Grab the external IP from our ingress and update it in no IP or in any domain registrar that you used. After updating the DNS entry, you will be able to log into the admin portal of your application by hitting the Ghost path on your domain. Make sure to log in using the Ghost email in the values.yaml and the password which you passed when running the helm install command. Now our application is live and it has already written some tables into our database. Let's log into our DB server and see some of the tables which have now been created. First, we are switching context to the Ghost database using the use command. And then we can list all the tables that are in the database using the show command. As we can see, there are already 50 tables in the database, and each table probably already has a lot of data. Let's switch back to our blog app and create our first blog. Just like that, our blog is now live. Congrats on coming this far, and I hope you really enjoyed this. Thank you.